Welcome to our video on the most fascinating facts about paper you never knew.
Did you know paper was invented in China during the Han Dynasty, around 105 AD?
Cai Lun, a Chinese court official, is often credited with the invention of the paper-making process.
The first forms of paper were made from a combination of mulberry bark, hemp, and rags.
By the 3rd century, paper became widely used for art and documentation across China.
Paper made its way to the Islamic world through the Battle of Talas in 751 AD.
The first paper mill in Europe was established in Spain in the 12th century.
In medieval Europe, paper was primarily used for religious and state documentation. The word paper is derived from papyrus, an ancient Egyptian plant-based writing material.
One of the oldest surviving examples of printed paper is the Diamond Sutra, dated to 868 AD.
Paper played a crucial role in the spread of information and literacy during the Renaissance.
Today, the largest paper-producing countries are China, the United States, and Japan.
Around 400 million metric tons of paper are produced annually worldwide.
Recycling paper is a significant industry, with over half the world's paper supply made from recycled fibers.
Each ton of recycled paper saves approximately 17 trees.
Paper can undergo numerous recycling processes before the fibers fall apart.
Specialty papers include watermarked, linen, and security paper, each serving unique purposes.
Origami, the art of paper folding, originated in Japan and China.
The Guinness World Record for the largest origami crane stands at 81.94 meters.
Paper engineering has evolved into sophisticated forms such as pop-up books.
The traditional paper-making process includes pulping, screening, pressing, and drying.
Modern advancements have led to the development of waterproof and fire-resistant papers.
Paper money first appeared in China between the 7th and 11th centuries. In ancient times, paper was also used for clothing, wrapping, and furniture.
The British Museum holds one of the most extensive ancient paper collections.
Paper provides a medium for one of the oldest art forms, calligraphy.
Industrial hemp is used to produce high-quality paper and reduces ecological impact.
Paper can be fabricated from various sources including bamboo, sugarcane, and straw. Paper products account for over 30% of all municipal waste.
Some brands aim to produce tree-free paper using sustainable materials like limestone.
The concept of paperless offices gained popularity as digital technology advanced.
Despite digital advances, paper consumption continues to be high worldwide.
The oldest known woodblock print was created in 868 and called the Diamond Sutra. Paper's evolving role in society includes new technologies like conductive paper for tech applications.
Artists today explore paper as a raw material for sculptures and visual installations.
Children and educators use paper as a versatile material for endless educational activities.
In Japan, the paper ball for traditional dance, Kanpira Fun Fun, showcases cultural artistry.
Transparency paper is a vital tool in classrooms and professional presentations.
Security features in paper currency have evolved significantly since their inception.
The world's first mass-produced writing paper was developed by the French in the 14th century.
And there you have it, surprising and educational facts about the humble everyday item we call paper.